Welcome to the future, tech enthusiasts. We're about to unveil the most thrilling and innovative gadgets set to dominate 2024. From the groundbreaking quantum smartwatch that merges style with quantum technology to the augmented reality glasses transporting you to new dimensions, we'll explore the cutting-edge Nano Drone capturing the world from above, the holographic gaming console revolutionizing your gaming experience, and the biometric security wallet ensuring your data stays exclusively in your hands. Get ready to be captivated by the top 5 gadgets shaping the next era of technology. Number 5. Biometric Security Wallet. In the realm of digital security, the Biometric Security Wallet emerges as a formidable guardian of your personal and financial data. This compact marvel employs advanced biometric technology, ensuring access is granted only to its rightful owner. With a touch or glance, you unlock a fortress of protection, rendering traditional passwords obsolete. Seamlessly integrating convenience with cutting-edge security, this wallet not only safeguards your valuables, but also pioneers a new era in personal data protection. It's not just a wallet, it's your personalized vault in the palm of your hand. Number 4. Holographic Gaming Console. Step into a realm where gaming transcends boundaries with the holographic gaming console. Immerse yourself in a breathtaking experience as holographic projections bring your favorite games to life in ways you've never imagined. This futuristic console goes beyond pixels, transporting you into the heart of the action with unparalleled realism. Whether battling epic foes or exploring fantastical worlds, the holographic gaming console redefines the very essence of gaming. With cutting-edge technology at its core, this console promises not just entertainment, but a portal to a new dimension of interactive and captivating gameplay. It's not merely a gaming device, it's a revolution in how we perceive and engage with virtual worlds. Get ready to witness the future of gaming unfold before your eyes. Number 3. Nano Drone with AI Camera. Embark on a sky-high adventure with a Nano Drone featuring an AI-powered camera. This pocket-sized marvel takes aerial photography and videography to unprecedented heights. Guided by intelligent algorithms, the drone autonomously captures stunning footage, making every moment an epic masterpiece. From panoramic landscapes to dynamic action shots, the Nano Drone is your personal airborne photographer, providing a unique perspective on the world. Its compact design ensures portability without compromising on performance, making it the ideal companion for capturing life's most thrilling moments. Join us as we explore how this tiny drone, armed with artificial intelligence, is rewriting the rules of creativity in the expansive skies. Number 2. Augmented Reality Glasses. Step into a new dimension of reality with augmented reality glasses, where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds blur. These cutting-edge glasses overlay a wealth of digital information onto your real-world surroundings, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. Navigate the city with enhanced directions, immerse yourself in captivating games, or learn new skills through interactive tutorials, all within your line of sight. These glasses redefine the way we interact with technology, offering a seamless blend of the virtual and the tangible. Join us on a journey as we unveil the incredible possibilities that augmented reality glasses bring to the forefront, revolutionizing the way we perceive and engage with our environment. Number 1. The Quantum Smartwatch. Introducing the Quantum Smartwatch, where style meets cutting-edge technology. This sleek and futuristic timepiece goes beyond conventional boundaries, integrating quantum technology to monitor your health, track your vitals, and analyze your sleep patterns. Imagine having a personal health companion on your wrist, seamlessly weaving into your daily life. From fitness enthusiasts to those mindful of their well-being, the Quantum Smartwatch is set to redefine how we approach health and lifestyle. Join us on this exploration as we delve into the features that make this smartwatch a game-changer, demonstrating how it seamlessly integrates advanced technology with everyday elegance. As we conclude our exhilarating journey through the technological marvels of 2024, we're left in awe of the incredible innovations that await us. From the quantum smartwatch and augmented reality glasses to the Nano Drone with AI camera, the holographic gaming console, and the biometric security wallet, these gadgets have showcased the forefront of innovation, promising to reshape our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. The future has never looked more exciting. Which gadget has captured your imagination the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more glimpses into the cutting-edge world of technology. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.